Hi, Darragh O'Brien here. I'm delighted to announce today that we're allocating €75 million to improve the homes of older people and people with disabilities. Each local authority will receive an increased allocation so that they can continue to support older people and those with a disability or a special need to continue to live independently. Importantly, whilst also benefiting the recipient, the home adaptations help to reduce the dependency on our health services by supporting independent living for as long as possible, and in other instances by facilitating an early return from hospital, taking pressure off an already overburdened service. These grants will also provide a boost for local economies. They do create employment for local contractors and give additional much needed work. And whilst the current shutdown in construction activity remains in place, it's very important that people are aware that housing adaptation works can continue with the consent of the homeowner and once public health guidelines are adhered to. So no reason not to get moving with these grants and with the adaptations. The allocations under this scheme further emphasise mine and the government's commitment to older people and to those with special needs and towards achieving our goal of housing for all. Gura míle maith agam.